Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the water bubble in Roblox's Fisch. To begin your quest, you'll first need to find the bubble mermaid. She is located on the shoreline of the Grand Reef. Approach her and initiate a conversation to accept her special quest. This is the crucial first step to acquiring this unique underwater item. Make sure you're ready for an adventure. Once you've accepted the quest, your next task is to gather 3 pieces of resin. This rare item can only be found by fishing in the Mushgrove Swamp. It's known for being quite elusive, so consider using fishing rods that boost your luck. Additionally, baits like weird algae can increase your chances, and you can even purchase temporary luck buffs to aid your search. Patience is key here. After successfully collecting all 3 elusive resin pieces, it's time to return to the bubble mermaid at the Grand Reef. Present her with the resin you've gathered. She will then ask for a payment of 25,000 in-game credits to craft the water bubble for you. Once the transaction is complete, this fantastic new item will be added directly to your inventory, ready for use. Congratulations, you now possess the water bubble. To utilize its benefits, simply equip it from your inventory. This incredible item significantly extends your underwater breathing time, providing approximately 9 minutes of extra oxygen. What's more, it can be combined with your existing diving gear, allowing for even longer and more comfortable exploration of the deep ocean. Enjoy your enhanced underwater adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.